when using the centre lathe, you need to be aware of three major hazards. First hazard is this chuck is going to be spinning around, so you can get entangled in that. So if you've got any loose clothing combined with that motion, right, that is going to be a hazard. So to help overcome that, we have a guard here. Put the guard down, and that's going to give you a little bit of protection from being entangled. Another hazard, now this lathe has been nicely brushed down, particularly for this video, but what happens is when the metal is being cut, we'll have long streams of swarf which come off. They're hot and they're sharp, and that is also a major hazard. So to protect yourself, particularly your eyes from that, we have one of these face guards, face visor, because it's not just nasty if you get it in your eye, but if it hits your face, lands on your lip, that can be quite sore as well. So what we need to do is, the precautions that we've looked at so far, is we've got the guard down, we've got a closely fitting apron or boiler suit, and we're going to use a face visor. Another thing about the swarf is, if we're having an accumulation of swarf on here, we take a brush like this one to brush it down. That's good, except of course you can see how this one's starting to lose its bristles, and the reason for that is because the swarf is so sharp it just cuts through those. The best thing to use is a metal hook, right? But the brush will do most of the time, because we normally just have sort of a fairly meagre amount of swarf. And the third hazard is your work. Once it's been put into the chuck, if it was to work its way loose, that could come out. The tool which is in here, that could snap or break, that could also come flying out. So obviously you must make sure that your work is nice and tight,